Welcome to the official HIMAX channel. Shenzhen HIMAX Electronics is a professional, custom lithium battery manufacturer based in Shenzhen, China. We specialize in designing and manufacturing high-performance lithium battery packs for a wide range of industries. Our core products include lithium polymer battery, lithium iron phosphate battery systems, and fully customized battery pack solutions for OEM and industrial applications. At HIMAX, engineering and reliability come first. Our team focuses on advanced battery design, strict quality control, and safe battery management systems to ensure every battery pack meets international standards. From product development and cell selection to battery assembly and testing, we support our global customers with flexible and reliable battery solutions. Our batteries are widely used in energy storage systems, robotics, industrial equipment, electric mobility, and many other advanced applications. On this channel, we will share battery production insights, custom battery design knowledge, factory tours, and real-world battery applications. If you are looking for a reliable, custom lithium battery manufacturer, HIMAX is here to support your projects. Learn more at www.himaxbattery.com and www.himaxelectronics.com. Lithium battery technology and custom battery solutions from HIMAX. Subscribe to our channel to discover more about